Alright, we got the 1500 watt waterproof hub motor kit here. Rear hub motor with the SW900 controller for the handlebars, and got your pedal assist sensor there that's got to go over the crank, it looks like. Yeah, it's one piece deal that turns. Yep. And got the levers, the throttle. I'm gonna put a thumb throttle on it, I'm not gonna use that. And got the hub motor with the cassette. That way you get all the goodness of the gears, and that's the gear in there. All the wires plug in, so it's nice and waterproof. Is that an 8-speed? Yep. Yeah, don't take these things apart. They're a pain to get together again. But if you gotta clean them, the best thing to do. Yeah, so I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with this kit yet. If I'm gonna get another frame or use the frame I got. It comes with the tube tire, a little strip that goes inside there too, so all that except for the battery and the battery mount for $255. Not a bad deal.